This is freaking McDonald's, my own TV station, live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive snowstorm is headed towards Nova Scotia on Friday, February 25th, 2022. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to cost blowing and drifting snow, reduced visibilities, dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. It's going to cost Whiteout conditions, especially in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, including Sydney, including New Glasgow, Truro, Shelburne, Yarmouth, Amherst, and Antigonish. Cape Breton Highlands National Park. There will be big waves splash on beaches, shores, Nova Scotia. It's going to bring snow drifts, blowing and drifting snow, dangerous and treacherous driving conditions, strict roads, highways, and Trans-Canada Highway will be snow covered in Nova Scotia. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to cost blowing snow, drifting snow, highway winds. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared. Every winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats and gloves, scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy a case of Pepsi, buy a case of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Make sure you have your Samsung Galaxy shirt, Samsung Galaxy smartphone shirt, Samsung Galaxy tablet shirt, smartphone, cell phones, laptops, tablet shirts, and for 3G, 4G, and 5G, and LTE internet ready as well. When you drive a car, take your time, drive a car, slow down, so you don't get in car accidents. When you go for a walk, be very good walking so you don't slip and fall. Make sure if your furnace is ready and turn on your furnace to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. And for extra blankets ready to keep warm, so make sure if your shovels ready, snow scoops ready, snow blowers ready, snow plows ready, and salt trucks ready as well. If you have anybody live in Nova Scotia, be prepared for a massive snowstorm on Friday, February 25th, 2022. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive snowstorm. Stay warm and safe.